Hello, you're welcome to my live virtual internship. This is my recording of the dashboard I did with interactive sales dashboard. I am currently a virtual intern in quantum analytics. This particular project is we're given an Excel data set where we're meant to have an interactive sales dashboard. In the data set, we saw that there were four regions, which you can see in this table, and these were the salespeople on the team. This what was contributed by region, and this is the contribution of each product. Well, I have analyzed it in the sense that at a glance in a one pager, you can have a total insight of what the salespeople are doing according to the regions, according to the timelines. So it gives a summary, and that's what data analytics it's all about this data visualization. So I would like to see what happened in my first territory, which is Texas. In Texas, we have two reps. This is the revenue that was generated, five customers by Anna and Ben. That's according to the quarter. I can actually do it up to years. The total revenue is there to the same customers. So I can see what happened per quarter, per month, and per day for that particular region. I could also use this dashboard to see contribution per product. I can say that okay, in my item one, which is the highest contributor of the budget of 36%, has a revenue of 736,000. You can see how the performance has been done there. It has its own seasonalities, revenue per day. It's the end of the month, it just came up briefly. So it's same cycle. We can also see also per rep, what have they been doing? So let me take my star rep, Laura. Laura, this is Laura's performance. She sells in California. This is the contribution of what she does per product, and that this is where she contributes to the region. She contributes 13% to the region. This is what she has generated. She has five customers. Let me take Anna. Anna also has five customers. This is what she has generated. She sells in Texas. And this is it. So that's my interactive sales dashboard. I want to thank Quantum Analytics for sharpening our skills. Thank you.